Hi, today I've come up with a different recipe, Veg Pulao. Everyone can try it out at home. It is very simple recipe which you can try it out at home. We'll see the preparation method. Take a cooker, add 1 spoon of oil and 2 spoons of ghee. Wait until oil and the ghee get heated up. Add half spoon of cumin seeds. Add green chilies. Wait until it splatters. Add chopped onion. 1 onion will do. Saute well. Once sorted, add ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Add 2 capsicum. Medium size will do. Then you can add carrots. You can add as much as vegetables. Here I am adding only capsicum and carrot. You can add green peas, beans. Add chopped tomato. Sort them all together. Now it's time to add masalas. Let's add turmeric half spoon. 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon sabji masala, half spoon chaat masala. Now saute the masala until the raw smell goes. Add enough salt. I have added 2 spoons of salt. Add washed rice. Mix it well so that masalas, vegetables and rice get mixed well. Add enough water. I have taken 3 cups of rice, so 4 cups of water should be taken. 3 cups of rice is to 4 cups of water. Now we'll close the lid. Wait for 2 whistles. Keep the stove in high flame. It's time to open. We'll mix it well. So that masalas and the rice get mixed well. As I said, this is a very simple recipe to be tried out at home. There are small children who doesn't like vegetables. This is a good way to make them eat vegetables. So everyone can try out at home. Please like and comment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.